Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss chapter 8 of English literature. The name of the book is Open Sky. The name of the chapter is Trees, Our Best Friend. Dear students, we all know that trees are very useful for us. And it gives us so many things that we cannot say in words. It gives us oxygen. It gives us fruits, vegetables, and so many things. Therefore, trees are called our best friend. Okay? So, dear students, this chapter is totally based on the importance of trees in our life and how the trees are our best friend. Okay, students, just read. We will discuss this story that is given at the page number 60 and 61 of your Open Sky book. You can open it, page number 60. Just see, students, trees are the first paragraph which is given at the page number 60. You see, trees are all around us. Trees are all around us. In our surroundings, we can see that there are so many trees, various kinds of trees. And have you ever thought of the importance of tree in your life? Dear students, there is a question that have you ever thought the importance of tree in our life? Yes, we have thought that what are the importance of trees in our life. There are so many importance. Okay? It gives us so many things. It gives us oxygen. It gives us fruit. It gives us shade, not shadow. Okay? It gives us shade as well as so many medicines. Various kinds of medicines that are made with the help of trees. Okay? Dear students, you see, trees are our best friend in nature, and trees are called our best friend in nature. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat, and trees gives us fruit and vegetables to eat. Okay? Without eating food, we cannot survive. And trees are the medium by which we can get food or fruits. Okay, just see. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat and firewood to burn. And trees also give us firewood. Trees also give us wood by which we can make what? Firewood to burn. To whom we can also burn. The tree, when and there is not life in the tree, we cut it and we use it. You see? Besides these, trees provide us raw materials for our industries. Besides all these things, besides giving the fruits, vegetables and so many things, it also gives us what? Raw materials for our industries. Okay, students, just see, trees also provide raw materials for our industries. There are so many things that is made of with the trees. Okay, plants are also used as a raw material in some product. Okay, students, so in the first paragraph, it is given that trees give us so many things. Okay, it gives us fruits, vegetables, firewood, as well as it also gives us raw material for the industries. Okay, now come to the next paragraph. We build houses and make furniture with timber, and we also make houses and make furniture with the timber. There are so many furnitures in our house. Bed, chair, table, that is made of what? That is made of wood. And from where we get wood? From the trees. So this is the importance of trees. Just see, where would the book be without papers? And this is also a question. Where would be the book without paper? And paper is also made of trees. Just see, where would the books be without papers? The pulp for making paper is provided by trees, and pulps, that is by which we can make paper, that is also provided by the trees. We think of their cool shade, and it also gives us cool shade. In the summer season, we take rest under the tree because it gives us cool shade. The children play around the trees and tired travelers rest under them. And the children also play. The children also play under the tree. And the tired travelers. Tired means weary. The person who is tired can get relaxation under the tree. Okay, students, just see. The children play around the trees and tired travelers rest under them. And tired travelers can also rest under the trees. Okay, students, so come to the next paragraph. In the second paragraph, we have seen that there are so many furnitures that we find in our houses that is also the gift of trees, that is given by the trees. And it also gives us shade, and the children also play around the trees, under the trees, and the tired travelers also take rest under the tree. So these are the importance of trees. Therefore, we call the tree our best friend. Okay? So just see. Come to the next question. Trees do much more than giving us fruit. And trees give us so many things. Besides giving the fruits, furniture and papers, it also gives us so many things, various things. They support the life of living things. And trees also support the life of living things. There are so many living things on this earth. There are so many creatures on this earth. And they are also dependent on the trees. Okay? You see, trees do much more than giving us fruit, furniture and paper. They support the life of living things. They replace the oxygen that gets used when the living things breathe to burn anything. And that is the most important that trees gives us oxygen to breathe. That is that we cannot survive without oxygen. And from where do we get oxygen? From the trees. It also absorbs our carbon dioxide and it gives us oxygen to breathe. Okay, students? Therefore, that is our best friend. In fact, even the meat that man eat, the man eat, from where we get? From the animals, from deer, from goats, and goats also eat grasses, plants, leaves of the tree. Just see here. In fact, even the meat that man ate provided by plant-eating animals. And the meat which we eat, the meat which the man eat, that is also provided by the plant-eating animals. What are the plant-eating animals? Goats and so many plant-eating animals, deer and the man also eats the meat of that. They are also dependent on the trees. Just see here. Meat that man is provided by the plant-eating animal, the tigers. Just see, students, the tigers, turn the page, and the lions who also feed on deer, which eats plants. Tiger, lions, who eat the deers, that is also dependent on the trees. That is also what? Which eats plant. Deer eats what? It eats plant. Thus, plants supply us two most important requirements of life. In this way, we can say that the plants give us two most important things in our life. What? Namely, oxygen to breathe. First, oxygen to breathe in, and another, food to eat. And another thing that trees give us, that is food to eat. Okay, what is the most important thing that trees give us? That is oxygen. Another important thing that it gives us food to eat. And without oxygen, without food, we cannot live. We cannot survive. Okay, students? So this is the importance of tree. Therefore, we can say that trees are our best friend. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. Trees also cause rainfall. And now just see, trees also cause rainfall. Without trees, there would not be any kind of rainfall. Okay, just see how. The leaves of the trees breathe out a lot of water vapor. The leaves of the tree, what? Breathe out a lot of water vapors and into the atmosphere. This helps to make the air cool, and through which the air becomes cool. And that is why on hot day it is cooler under than inside the room. And therefore, the leaves absorbs the water vapors. Therefore, in the summer day, in summer season, there we feel cooler than inside the room. Okay, under the tree we feel cool, but we do not feel cool inside the room, because the leaves breathe out a lot of water vapors that make the atmosphere cool under the tree. Okay, students, just see. That is why on the hot day it is cooler under trees than inside the room. The cool air over forest cools the rain clouds. Just see, students, the cool air over the forest cools the rain clouds and help to cause rain. And this is the reason, this is the cause of rainfall. Okay? This explains why rainfall over forest areas are greater than other places. And we can also see that in the forest areas where there are so many trees, number of trees, in that areas there is the water level is high. And there is rainfall is more than other places. Okay, just see. Explains that why rainfall over forest areas is greater than other places. In the forest areas there is more rainfall, and other places there is not so much rainfall. Because of tree, there in the forest there is much rainfall. Okay? Come to the next paragraph. Trees hold the soil together, and trees also holds the soil together. Dear students, trees also holds the soil together. Okay? Trees also hold the soil together, and it also holds the soil together. Its root holds the soil together. Otherwise, it will be also washed away in the rainy season. You see, students, trees hold the soil together. They save it from being washed away by sowers, and they saved us. They saved the soil by sowers. Our earth has a covering of fine soil. Our earth has a covering of fine soil on the surface. Under the soil lies rocks. Under the soil lies rocks. This soil covers hill plant and grasses to grow. And this soil also helps the plant and grasses to grow. Okay, without soil, there would not be any kind of tree. Okay, students? So, soil covers, helps plant and grasses to grow. The roots hold the soil together, and the roots that holds the soil together, that is soil and that is roots, and these roots hold the soil together so that it could not be flow. Their roots hold the soil together. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. Trees keep the environment clean, and the trees also keep the environment clean. Okay, students. They absorb harmful carbon dioxide from air and fill the atmosphere precious life-sustaining oxygen. And just see, they absorb what? Harmful, that is harmful carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They absorb the harmful gas, carbon dioxide, and fill the atmosphere with precious life-sustaining oxygen. And it gives us oxygen and takes the harmful gas, that is carbon dioxide, and it gives us useful gas, that is oxygen. Okay? Come to the next. You see, in this way reduce air pollution, and in this way the air pollution is reduced. And where there is number of trees, in that areas there is no air pollution. But where there is no tree, in that area you can find the air pollution. Okay? Therefore, trees are also called the lung of nature. Therefore, because it gives us oxygen, therefore it is known as the lungs of nature. It is the lungs of nature. And without lungs we cannot survive. In the same way, without trees, there would not be any kind of imagination of nature. Okay, students? So, this is very, very important part of nature. That is the best creation of the God. Okay? Just see. Come to the next paragraph. Trees provide us many useful things. Trees provide us many useful things. They give us grains. It also gives us grains, fruits, vegetables, medicines. That you all know. The branches of the trees shelter the millions of birds. It not only gives the shelter to the men, it not only provides so many things to the men, but also the animals, but also the birds. You see. Branches of the trees shelter the million of birds. Forest gives shelter the innumerable wild animals. And forest also gives the shelter to the innumerable forest animals. Where there are lions, tigers, zebras, so many wild animals live. Okay? Under the shelter of trees. Just see, students? Forest gives the shelter of innumerable wild animals. The green leaves and grass refresh our eyes and mind. The green leaves and green soft air, good air, refresh our eyes as well as minds. Okay, students? So, just see, come to the next paragraph. Just see, long ago, a long portion of our country covered with the forest. Long ago, our large part of country covered with the forest. With the passage of time, population grew. But with the passage of time, day by day, the population of India has been grown up. And now, what happened? Man cut down the trees. Men cut down the trees. And to get more and more land for agriculture. Men cut down the trees for more and more to get the more and more land for the agriculture, houses and industries. Hence, a great part of our forest resources has been lost. So, in this way, our great part of forest resources, our great number of trees has been lost. Because of population, because of industries, because of the people who wanted to cut the trees, and at the place of trees they wanted to grow the crops. They wanted the land to make the buildings, to establish the industries. In this way, the population of trees has been reduced and population of men has been increased. Okay? So just see. With the passage of time, the population grew and cut down the trees to get more and more land for agriculture, houses and industries. Hence, a great part of our forest resources has been lost. And come to the next paragraph. We have therefore initiated to plant new trees all over the country. Therefore, our government and the people of India take an initiative to plant the new trees, because the old trees have been cut down. Now we are trying to grow new plants, to plant the new trees all over the country. A festival called Van Mahotsav, and therefore we are celebrating a festival Van Mahotsav, who has been started up for this purpose. This festival, Van Mahotsav, has been started for this purpose, that we could plant more and more trees. Since trees are our national wealth and trees are our national wealth, we should do our best to save them, and we should do all efforts to save them. We should not cut them. Okay, students, just see, come to the next paragraph. Trees are most long-lived living things on this earth, and trees are most long-living things on this earth. We live only 60, 70 years, but the trees can live 200, 300 years. They are also living things, same as we are, and trees are also living things as we are living things. As we are a living things, in the same way trees are also living things. Okay? Just see. You might feel the plants are non-living things just because they do not move or make sound. Some people think that trees are non-living things because it does not move, it does not speak. But actually trees breathe. But in reality, trees breathe, eat, grow and also birth to the new plant. They can also feed. The tree can also feed. As we feel, in the same way tree can also feed. Okay? The touch me not plant. You all have seen the touch me not. Fold its leaves and even draws itself back from the human touch. You all know the quality of the plant, touch me not. When we will touch it, it will be fold its leaf and even draws itself back from the human touch. Okay, students, come to the last paragraph. We find different kind of trees on our earth. You see, trees are different shape and sizes. There are various kind of shape and sizes of the trees. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper and climber. These are the kinds of trees. Okay students, you read this chapter carefully and try to understand that how the trees are our best friend. Dear students, in this world, trees gives us so many things without taking a single rupee. Okay students, so this is all about the story, and you try to read it. If you find any kind of difficulties, you can ask on our WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.